I'm going to give you info today that's going to dramatically improve your health. I'll kick off with 5 ways cold therapy has massively helped me, and then what 30 days of cold therapy will do for you and your health. If you enjoyed today's video and learned something, all I ask is that you subscribe to this channel. You might be thinking I'm a bit strange, a little bit weird for spending 10 minutes early doors on a Sunday morning in the North Sea. But once you understand the benefits of cold therapy, you will get it. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to convince you to at least give cold therapy a little try, to at least get up to 2 minutes cold showers every day. Because to get the full health benefits, 2 minutes is really what you need to do. If you're with me, I'm going to give you loads of information on why cold showers are so good for you and your health. If you want more detailed information from an actual expert, have a look at some Wim Hof videos on YouTube. I'll be giving you 5 ways Wim Hof breathing videos and cold therapy videos have helped me over the last 3 or 4 years. And again, what 30 days of cold therapy is going to do for you and your health. So the first time that Wim Hof really helped me was during COVID. I was working in Oman when COVID kicked off. And due to COVID, I had 12 weeks away from my family. To be totally honest, I nearly had a breakdown. Wim Hof videos on YouTube helped me to calm down. I was anxious, really anxious. I'm worried about my wife and 2 daughters. Wim Hof's breathing videos and cold showers helped me and my mental strength. So if you struggle with anxiety, cold therapy might just help you. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert when it comes to mental health. I'm just telling you how it's helped me with anxiety. Press-ups is the second way it's helped me. How many press-ups can you do? Me, without Wim, 50-ish. With Wim, I got to 100 without stopping. Nothing special, but Wim helped me improve. He claims that his breathing exercises helps to get more oxygen into your body, and he claims this helps you get more press-ups done. I have found this to be true. Give it a go. Look at Wim Hof videos on YouTube for his breathing exercises. Improved immune system. Now this is the 3rd way it's helped me. After doing the Wim Hof method, cold therapy, I went almost 3 years without getting a cold or flu. Improved blood pressure. This is the 4th way it's helped me. A healthy blood pressure is less than 120, that's a systolic or upper number, and less than 80, and that's the diastolic or low number. Before Wim Hof and cold therapy, my blood pressure was a little over where it should have been. It was 124 over 85. After Wim Hof, it's now around 118 over 78. So thanks to Wim Hof, I now have normal blood pressure. And this is a big deal for me. And now I'm very injury prone. And doing ice baths because of Wim has helped me with injuries over the years. This is the 5th way it's helped me. This has meant that I'm still doing the sport I love at 40 years old. I'm still doing BJJ at 40. When I first started BJJ at 26, I had loads of injuries. I've had way less injuries since doing cold therapy. And again, this is a massive deal to me. So that's what cold therapy has done for me. But what's it gonna do for you? If you have cold showers for 30 days, it's gonna improve your health. Let's look at 5 proven ways it's going to do exactly that. Number 1, improve your mental health. The first thing that most people don't realise is that cold therapy can drastically improve your mood and your mental health. This could be to a point that it may help prevent and even treat depression. Again, I'm not an expert. This is information I've got from Wim Hof, books and videos. Number 2, reduce inflammation. Inflammation is associated with heart disease, diabetes, cancer, arthritis, and bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and colitis. So it's clearly worth getting that inflammation down if we can. And cold showers are a proven way to reduce inflammation. Number 3, improved immunity. I've already told you how it's helped me with my immune system, but let's look at a bit of science behind it. There is a type of white blood cell or cells in the immune system. To be honest, I'm not sure exactly the name of this type of white blood cell. Anyway, there is a type of white blood cell that attacks harmful bacteria, viruses and toxins. And if you do cold therapy for a prolonged period, like 30 days of cold showers, you will increase the amount of these awesome white blood cells, therefore improving your immunity. Number 4, improved mental toughness. Cold showers are a brilliant way to improve mental toughness. Most people don't enjoy being exposed to very cold temperatures, but if you can overcome those feelings and do it anyway, that will increase your tolerance to being uncomfortable. By doing things that are outside of your comfort zone, you'll become more in control of your own emotions. You'll be more equipped to handle stresses that occur during everyday life. Number 5, fat burning. Another big benefit for those that are trying to lose weight is the cold exposure may help you burn fat. When you're exposed to cold temperatures, brown fat gets activated. Brown fat is a special type of body fat. It produces heat to help maintain body temperature in cold conditions. This can cause a big increase in metabolic rate because the process requires a lot of energy to generate heat. By exposing yourself to cold, you can temporarily ramp up your metabolism, and that can lead to additional fat loss. Before we wrap up, I want to finish with a disclaimer. All of this video is pretty much information I've got from Wim Hof books and videos. Wim Hof, in my humble opinion, is an awesome human being. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and I hope you start doing regular cold showers, as I'm convinced this daily habit will improve your health massively.